Hello, it's Friday here at City Hall, and I'm going to give you all our weekly update. As far as the COVID cases, we've had 9 new cases on Wednesday and Thursday. We don't have Friday's numbers yet, but that takes us up to a total number of 463 cases that we've had here in Nelson County since the start of this. We only have 1 person hospitalized, and the good news is 401 of these cases have recovered. So that's great news. Continue to emphasize to continue to wear your mask and do all the social distancing and the hygiene, and we'll continue to get a better handle on this. Our positivity rates are going down in Kentucky, so that's really good news to hear. Something I haven't talked about in a while is the annual census that we're currently doing. We do that every 10 years all over the country, and Bardstown and Nelson counties in the midst of that right now. We have until the end of this month, September 30th, to finish your census. So please go online and do Census 2020 and complete the sentence. It's very easy. And right now our numbers we're at 76.8 reply here in Nelson County, and Bardstown's replies have been 74.2. We really want that to get as close to 100% count as we possibly can, because that really impacts the amount of federal dollars that we receive here in Bardstown and Nelson County for all types of services that are very important to our community and to our residents. So please get online and complete your survey for the census before the end of September. Something new I want to talk about is voting. We have a number of elections coming up, very important elections. And because of the COVID, there's a lot of changes going about that actually is going to make voting, I think, a lot easier. Our governor and our state secretary of state have worked together to come up with a 3-part plan to help people in voting. And very important elections coming up. We have the city council here. We have seats on the Bardstown City School Board. We have seats on the Nelson County School Board. We have a state representative election, we have a United States Senate election, and we have a presidential election. So very important races. Everybody should get out and vote for the candidates of their choice, and that's what I'm trying to emphasize today. And the way you can do that is there's going to be early voting starting on October 13th through November 2nd, and you can go to the Nelson County Public Library, and the hours are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m., Thursday from 8 a.m. to 5:30 p.m., and on Saturdays from 8 a.m. to noon. That will start October 13th. You can just go there and vote like you normally do, early voting. Then you can do a mail-in ballot if you want to do that. And if you're registered to vote, you just simply call the Nelson County Clerk's office at 348-1820. Give them your information and request a mail-in ballot, and they will get that to you. You get it postmarked you can do this up to October 9th and get it in the mail before November 3rd to be counted. Lastly, you can do in-person voting like you normally do. Now, not every precinct won't be open, but a number of precincts will be open. They're not announced them yet. If you recall, back in the primary, we only had 1 location open for the entire county on the primary election day. This time, I think there's going to be as many as 4 or 5 locations around the county that will be available for in-person voting. Once the state certifies those voting areas, they will be announced by our Nelson County clerk. So it's going to be very easy to vote. We just want to get as big a turnout as we can because all these elections are so important to our local community. So that's my wrap up today. Have a good weekend. Enjoy this little start of some fall weather, and be safe.